Well, you're familiar with the new icon on your desktop. On January 1st, we will officially be rolling out Lexipol as our new knowledge management system for all Cobb County Fire and Emergency Services policies and procedures. Starting January 1st, we'll be asking you to log on to Lexipol to review and acknowledge updated policies that will be appearing on the system on the 1st and 15th of each month. You will be receiving an email very similar to the one that's behind me right now. Please click on the link that's available, and that will take you to the logon page for the Lexipol system. Log in using your county email address. This will take you to the home page. From here, in the home page or the dashboard, you will see the new policies that you will need to acknowledge. Please click on the new policy, read through the policy, and then when you are finished and you fully understand the policy, click on Acknowledge. Once you're done acknowledging, you may also view all policies that are available through the management system. The Fire Policy Manual can be accessed from the dashboard by clicking on the icon on the center next to the home page. We understand that there will be a transition period while people are getting comfortable using the new management system. We will continue to roll out new policies in Lexipol and anticipate it taking about 1 year to have all policies migrated from the old SharePoint system to the new Lexipol system. As we continue to roll out these policies, the existing SharePoint policy site will still be available and house policies that we have yet to migrate over to the new Lexipol platform. Please be patient as we review and migrate our policies. As I said, it could take up to a year for this to occur. We are hoping that this system will be making finding, viewing, and accessing policies much easier for everyone. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out through your chain of command to myself or Lisa Bell. Thank you.